Great compositions always guide the viewer naturally instead of forcing attention with heavy effects. Today, how to create guided visual narratives. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally or in a soft curved flow across the layout to establish movement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully to maintain continuity and storytelling. Select the background and apply a gradient that follows the same directional path through the design. Add thin arrows or connecting line accents with low opacity to subtly guide attention across the composition. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce natural motion while preserving balance.